In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite triplet grouping between the hands and the feet. And then we're going to go over 3 real-world examples of Dave Weckl, Philly Joe Jones, and Max Roach playing this idea. Let's get to it. All right, I want to show you this linear idea in its simplest form. We're going to use triplets, and we're going to start with this sticking. Left, kick, right. When we repeat that over one measure of eighth note triplets, it sounds like this. Now let's try one more sticking. We're just going to do the opposite. We're going to start it with the right hand, so it becomes right, kick, left. Now that we got that idea down in its simplest form, let's check out some real-world examples. We're going to start with Dave Weckl. We're going to go right, left on the snare, and then we're going to have a right hand come up on the rack tom. Now, after those 3 notes, we're going to be strictly following left, kick, right sticking. You'll notice in the transcription that Dave Weckl keeps his hands on the same drum to start out this fill. The pattern goes rack tom, snare drum, floor tom, snare drum. So let's take beat 3 and beat 4 very slow. All right, in our second measure, you'll notice that this is where Dave Weckl starts to mix up his hand. His left hand and right hand are not going to play the same drum. We're going to have combinations like snare to rack tom, floor tom to snare. He moves all over the place. Beat 1 is going to look like this. All right, so we left off with that left hand on the floor tom, and that's where we're going to start this next pattern. All right, beat number 3 to finish up this idea. All right, now that we got all the pieces, let's put it together. All right, example number 2, let's take a look at Max Roach. This is from the drum solo Big Sid. Because of the way Max Roach orchestrates this one, we're not going to always play left, kick, right. Sometimes it's going to change to right, kick, left. Let's get into it. All right, first triplet, we're going to start with the bass drum. Our right hand's going to go to the snare, left hand rack tom. Beat number 4, we're going to go right hand on the floor tom, kick, left hand on the snare. All right, beat 1 is going to look like this. We're going to go snare drum with the right hand, kick, and then we're going to do snare drum again with the right hand. Beat number 2, we're going to go left hand on the rack tom, kick, and another left on the snare. Beat number 3, right hand on the floor tom, kick, and then right hand again on the snare. And for beat 4, we're going to go left hand on the snare, kick, right hand on the snare, and our very last note will be up on the rack tom. All right, now let's put it all together. Example number 3 from Philly Joe Jones. This is an excerpt from his solo trading 4s on the tune Billy Boy. We're going to start on the and of 1, and it's going to be a double on the floor tom with our right hand, followed by a double in our left hand on the snare. 1 trip, triplet, 1 trip. And here on beat 3 is where Philly Joe Jones plays this linear triplet idea. We're going to use this sticking right, kick, right. The first right's on the floor tom. The second one is here on the snare. So to finish up, we just have doubles. Right, right, left, left. Now that we got all the pieces, let's put it together. Nice and slow. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 3, 4, 1. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And take these ideas that you see from Dave Weckl, Max Roach, and Philly Joe Jones and move them around the kit and make them your own. Have fun, be creative. See you next time.